How to upload websites on awardspace. So all that you have to do is to simply go to the awardspace platform just like this one, and then look at the top side. You will see that we have free hosting is here. Simply come in and click on it. So over here you can sign up for the first time using any of these, that is using your Facebook or your Gmail account. The same way you can use it to log in as well. Okay, so you can also come in and type in your email manually by simply coming to put in your name, then you put in your email address, you create your password, you come down and click on register now. But I'm simply going to go with the shortcut because I've already signed up already, and then come and click on Google and then log in with my Google account. Okay, so as you can see from the top side, I have successfully signed in. You see my Google account, and then they are going to redirect me to my control panel. The same way when you sign up, that's the exact same thing that's going to happen. It is going to bring you right here to this platform. Okay, and then over here you can simply come in and upload your website by simply using the file manager by clicking on the file manager. So when you click on it, what you need first is that you need a hosting service with them. You have to have a hosting service with awardspace. So if you don't have one, I'm having a full video on my channel walking you through step by step how to get a free hosting service with them. So watch that video first. So after having the hosting service, all that you have to do is simply come here directly and then come and then click on the upload. Okay, so when you click on the upload for the first time, this is going to happen, and it is going to say that the action cannot be performed because there is a protection which is enabled. Okay, we have to disable it. So to disable it, all that you have to do is to simply come here where we have the home slash www slash protection is enabled. Come and then click on disabled. Okay, so when you click on it, you will see this message pop up saying that the action has been changed successfully. Okay, that is good. Now all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the upload and then come and click on the upload, and then over here you can simply come and then drag your website file right here, or click on it and then select it. Okay, so let's click on it and then select the website file. So after selecting it, all that you have to do is simply come and then click on the open. Okay, and then over here, as you can see, this is our website file, and then we can simply come here to where we have the upload and then come and click on the upload. So when you click on the upload, you will see that the website file is uploading just like this one. All that you have to do is to simply sit back, relax, and then wait for the website to upload. That is when you are on the paid plan with awardspace. Okay, but when you are on the free plan with awardspace, you are going to see that the maximum upload file should not be more than 15 megabytes. Yes, so if you want to upload more than 15 megabytes file, you have to upgrade to the paid plan. Okay, because this is going to show up right after your file is about to finish uploading to say that the upload has been exceeded and you have to consider upgrading to a paid version. Okay, but don't worry, I'm going to show you step by step how to still upload your file even though you are not on the paid version. So all that you have to do is that you have to come here and then come and click on the cancel. Okay, so when you click on the cancel, simply come here to the dashboard and then come and click on it. Okay, so when you click on the dashboard, simply come here to where we have the Zaki app installer and then come and click on it. So when you click on it, come down and then you are going to see from your installation you have your hosting plan over here, and then in front of it you are going to see the quick access and then you are going to see your website link. Come and then click on it. You'll be logging directly to your website. Now come here to the URL on it and then come and add wp-admin just like this one to your URL and then hit enter. Come and then put in your username, your password, and then come and click on the login. Okay, so you're going to be logging directly into your WordPress dashboard. Simply come here to where we have the plugins and then come and click on add new plugin. Okay, so from the add new plugin section, come and search for this plugin called wpvivid. Okay, so over here you are going to see the wpvivid backup is here. Simply come and then install it and then activate it. I have already activated mine, and then after that you are going to see the wpvivid under the settings. We have the wpvivid backup is here. Come and then click on it and then come here to where we have the upload and then come and click on the upload. Okay, so over here you have the option to come and then drag your file here or click on it to select it and then come and click on the open. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully selected our website file and then come and click on the upload. So when you click on the upload, what you have to do is to just relax and then sit back for it to finish uploading. And then this pop-up will come saying that you have successfully uploaded your file. Simply come and then click on the OK. And then come here to the backups. Under it, you are going to see your uploaded backup is here, just like this one. What that you have to do is to simply come here to where we have the restore and then come and click on the restore. And then simply come here and then come and click on the restore again. And then this pop-up is going to come. All that you have to do is to simply come and then confirm by clicking on the OK and sit back, relax, and then wait for your website to be restored. Okay, so as you can see, it is restoring, and when it's finished restoring, we are going to see another pop-up just like this one coming, and then it is saying that we have successfully restored our website. Simply come and then click on the OK, and then all that you have to do is to simply log into your WordPress dashboard again using the exact same login credentials. Okay, and then over here from the dashboard, when you click on the dashboard, you will see that we have successfully uploaded our website. We can visit it by putting the mouse on the name of the website and then coming to click on visit site. This is our website that we have successfully uploaded it on awardspace. So this is how to upload your website on awardspace. Like the video and then see you in my next video.